Hi, this is Tori Carrick with the Anderson Real Estate Group coming to you for your February market update, specifically focusing on the Ocean Boulevard corridor and all condos within the 90802 that sit along Ocean Boulevard. If you want any of this information at any time, you can access our website, which is andersonreg.com. From our website, you can contact us at any point directly at this number in the upper right-hand corner, or choose to connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or send us an email directly. For those of you that do use Facebook, you might want to access our Facebook page at Anderson Real Estate Group. Let's dive into the data to specifically talk about what's happening along the Ocean Corridor for the month of February. It's always beneficial to look at where we're coming from. If you look at the market performance for January 2012, we didn't have much activity. There were only 3 condos that were sold up and down the Ocean Corridor within 90802. We see minimum, average, and maximum data that's listed. I'd like to focus our time and attention on the averages. So you can see in January, across those 3 sales, we had an average of a 1-bedroom, 1 1/4 bath, just over 700 square feet. List price for these properties was $196,000. The average sales price was $190,000. Oftentimes what people want to know is what's the sales price per square foot, because that gives a good understanding as to the value and how you could take that figure and apply it to your own individual condo. You can see here in January the average price per square foot was $255. It's tough to make inferences on an N of 3, so it's more important that we look at this data over time. And if you look down here in February, we've got a much larger N, 19 different properties that in fact closed escrow in the month of February. And once again, these are condos that are up and down Ocean Boulevard within the 90802. Let's look at the averages here. You can see the bedroom count was 1.2. Bathroom count 1.5, square footage up a bit more than the previous month at 864 square feet. You can see the average list price for the properties that sold in the month of February was $275,000. What this describes is the list price per square foot, which doesn't mean much. What's most important is what is that sales price per square foot. So that's going to tell us exactly how those properties closed escrow. And you can see here that the average sales price across those 18 properties in the month of February was $268,000. The price per square foot was $301. For all of you who are along Ocean Boulevard within your condo trying to get a better understanding of the value of your property, this is a really good way to apply this rationale to your individual unit. Of course, condition, view, parking, the building, storage, all of these aspects go into sales price per square foot, but at least this will give you an idea as to where the market is trending. And if you look at what was occurring in the month of January versus where we finished in February, it looks like things are moving in the right direction. You can see the days on market were a little bit longer in the month of February. This does make sense, and this does seem to be a bit more indicative of what's happening in the current marketplace because we do have a larger N here. For future months, I'll be profiling the same data so we can then look at market trends across multiple months to see what kind of a direction the values along Ocean Corridor are going. And once again, if you want any of this information at any point, please feel free to access our website at andersonreg.com or contact us directly at this number listed above. Look forward to connecting with you in the near future.